Hey everybody, how's it going? So if you're using ChatGPT to work on a project, you probably are familiar with the fact that you have to kind of keep it up to date with like the current state of your project. So one of the things you might want to do, and this is the use case I'm working on today, is how to input the right dummy data in a somewhat not even somewhat complex, just a normal database with foreign keys and all the attributes and the whole kit and caboodle, as they say. So I'm going to show you how I handle that with ChatGPT. Is I go into MySQL Workbench, and then you go to data export. So however you want to get there, I think it's like data export. Yeah, see, you just type in to search data export, and it's under server, and you go over to object selection. You pick the database you want to. You select the items that you want to, and I say dump data structure only, so that way it's not dumping the actual stuff inside of it. I just care about the structure because that's the only thing I'm telling ChatGPT. And then you click Start Export. You export it, and then it tells you where it's put it. It puts it here in dumps. You open it with Atom, or I'm just going to say open it with Atom because I know that works. And here is your information. So, and then what I do is I put this over into ChatGPT. I say, can you give me a MySQL statement that will load some dummy data into my MySQL database. Here is the database structure. You give it all that, and there you go. Now you have all of your dummy data that all makes sense. 4 rows into employees table. Okay. But you know what? It messed up. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna recopy my response. I wonder if I can edit my response. I don't think so. I'm gonna start a new chat. I'm gonna type this exact same thing back in here. Let's go to the top and say, can you give me a MySQL statement, load some W data into my MySQL database, and I'm gonna say, load data into each table. So there's employees. Okay, so maybe I should say, give me MySQL statements for each table I just provided you. Put it all in one response. So here's employees. Inventory, see, this is what you want to do. Into locations, into the machines table. There you go. So you just got to be a little careful and verbose with what you're asking it to. It kind of makes you think, like, in life, it's all about asking the right questions. So thank you guys so much for watching. I think this is part 10 on my vending machine series. And hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for supporting my channel. Have a good one.